It's a beautiful sounds of Thai. Ushaka Mnandi tonight, right here on Vibe 94.7 FM, the first choice Yompagat. It is Vibe in the afternoon, DJ Wide, Hamsan Luanda, the original. 16 after 12 is your time right now. Good afternoon, Mautusanda for Lumsaga. So, Lalag at this time around, so Sick Patel on the show. Luanda, the original, it was a good menu.
It's the menu.
It's menu. Men United, yeah, that.
Wow.
Lalela again got 12:45, so some my chips also. And then also we after 1 o'clock we have interviews, so we say now do stick and stay for that. Best exalting go 1:30. Buisada then 3 songs. Saluta kona Mahrutman kanya na sister. 1440 we looking it down, baby. We become Richard. We become unfiltered. Tunga shooting go 2 foot. So we say shokamnan city #Zazise. You looking for a job? All right, let's use Vibe 94.7 FM as a platform. Uzobusitshela ukuthi siphi isicuco naso uzobusfonela 0315048947. This is Vita. Do #that.
Yeah, man, and if I call eThekwini, don't forget to say www.vibe947fm.co.za. Nomutenge data. Download the app on Google Play Store, and you're gonna be good to go. Almost everywhere.
Wait, now go radio boxes corner food to session the Vibe FM uzobusithola. We sound so good and clear. And download our app under the original. Utithenge data.
Tenge data mtamo.
Yes, Google Play na Google Play Stores corner. Google ngani yakwethu. Kumnandi.
As DJ Udwal would say, if you want to nobody, listen.
DJ Worldwide and